We are in the 21st century. That's what you should be saying. That's how your login should be looking like. Definitely. Mm. But what about this? No. Okay. No. Definitely no. Okay. This is the 21st century. So let me show you how you get from here to there in less than 5 minutes. Once you log in your system, you just go on the plugins and you would see right here plugins, and then all you got to do is to click on add plugins. So let's do that. And right here, what you want to type in is simply a wallet app in one word. And once you type in wallet app in one word, or wallet app login customizer, you don't have to type the whole thing, but either way it works. Okay. And once you do that, what you're gonna do and see is wallet app login customizer. You will click over here. Okay, install. I already did it, but you would see install. You click on that, and once that's done, you hit on activate. And once you do activate, you will be able to see right here under here your settings. So you click on settings to get into your dashboard, or you go under your panel, your left panel, and you click on under settings, you click on wallet app login. So that would be the same thing. This is how you install and activate. Let's go to the next.